At Website Depot, we receive reviews from all of our clients on a regular basis. Today, we'd like to share with you one excellent review that one of our valuable clients left for us. We really appreciate these kind words. They definitely encourage us to keep giving 100% in everything that we do. Website Depot is a digital marketing agency that has been helping businesses since 2011. We provide SEO, paid media, web design, web development, and many other services for our clients. We also specialize in rehab and legal services and other industries that require specialized SEO and digital marketing services. Many businesses have told us that Website Depot has been a game changer for them, and we couldn't be prouder of that. If you've worked with our team, please let us know how your experience was. And if you don't know us yet, feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to provide you with a 30-minute strategy call to see how we can help your business grow.